Hello, taco lovers. Today we're talking about versatility and making a tomatillo cream sauce that can be used for a number of things. It's very versatile. Today we're actually going to be using it on pasta, making a little bit of fettuccine with this cream sauce, and it's very tasty. Versatility is the ability to adapt and change with the times. There are several things that you can do to become more versatile, two of which are to always be learning. In this case, I am learning a new recipe and trying something new. Another thing that you can do is to promote yourself. So don't say, I can't do this. Have more confidence in yourself. Having that confidence that you are able to do things will give you the ability to adapt with the times. To make this, we started by blending 2 tomatillos, 1 seeded jalapeno, and a small batch of cilantro in a food processor. We simmered over medium to low heat 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 8 ounces of shredded Monterey Jack, some salt, pepper, and garlic powder to taste, and the tomatillo jalapeno mixture until it's completely melted through and smooth. And you can use this, I'm using it over fettuccine, but you can also use this as a topping on some meat, vegetables. I try this now. It's like a tangy Alfredo. Very delicious. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you thought if you tried this recipe. And in the comments, you can let me know of any other recipes you'd like me to try in the future. Have a great day.